Welcome to Law for Public Administration. I am Professor Charles Szypszak. I designed this course several years ago, a different kind of law course for public administration, and it was made a required part of the UNC MPA curriculum in recognition of several realities. Law and government are interrelated. Public administrators are in many important ways the face of the law. Those who are governed by the law are more likely to see it as legitimate when those in public service understand the law, honor it, and take personal responsibility for reforming it. Law and policy choices are interrelated. Some very important policy choices are about what the law should be, and all policy choices have some legal component. And studying the law improves your analytical ability. It requires you to check your assumptions, to consider alternative perspectives, and to work through very difficult questions for the best possible answer. Even if you've been through law school and have practiced law, you will see law through a different lens in this course, not as someone who is advising someone else about the law or being an advocate, but as someone responsible for policy choices and implementing the law and following it. Studying the law in this course will be different than you have experienced in other courses. It requires you to learn from a vast field of knowledge about law and legal procedure. You will read cases ranging from the most basic foundational constitutional law cases to state cases involving specific public administration issues you are likely to encounter. You also learn practical information about legal procedure and lawyers, about when legal representation is appropriate, and how to communicate with lawyers whom you engage to represent your interests. You will also engage in Socratic dialogue in this class, sometimes watching others and sometimes being involved directly yourself. This is a progressive question and answer exchange in which you examine your assumptions, test your tentative conclusions against alternative facts, and explore the boundaries of a proposed rule. I bring to you 25 years of experience as a lawyer and a teacher. Prior to joining the School of Government in 2005, I was a practicing lawyer for 19 years with a firm in New Hampshire. And while there, I taught law at the University of New Hampshire School of Law as an adjunct, and for many years taught history as an adjunct at community college. Since joining the school, I've worked directly with public officials, answering their daily questions, writing their guidebooks, providing their basic courses, and I advise government attorneys, judges, and legislators, and have written laws and regulations. And both before 2005 and since then, I've been involved in international law reforms, first in Russia in the post-Soviet period, and since then working with Polish ministry officials and teaching as a visiting professor at Jagiellonian University. I will draw on this experience in our classroom discussions. I hope you will find this course challenging, intellectually strengthening, and personally and professionally enriching.